Today, I'm gonna take an old IKEA lamp that we already have, and I'm gonna turn it into something new. One of my favorite things about woodworking is the way it lets me shape my environment exactly the way I want it. I don't have to settle for what comes out of a box or what I can find at the store. I can make my own furniture and I can customize my own things. Today, I'm starting with a really old, basic IKEA lamp, and I'm gonna turn it into something completely new. I'm gonna break it down, I'm gonna reuse the parts, and I'm gonna turn it into a combination table lamp and bookstand, perfect for your desk or your bedside table. I began by carefully disassembling the lamp, being sure to save all the parts and pieces for reuse later. I've been taking things apart ever since I was a kid, and it's always so much fun to learn how something was put together. Removing the cord meant snipping these wires, but I knew I could always strip back the insulation and rejoin them later. So here's a fun little surprise. The knob is completely stuck inside the base. Thankfully, I have a Dremel. I laid out the lampshade and some books and took some quick measurements to help guide the build. Then I started the process of cutting down some black limba to form the base. I knew I wanted the right side to have a vertical piece to help hold the books upright, so I cut a 45-degree miter for that corner. Then I used a chamfer bit on the router table to add a little bit of a curve to the top. With that, it was time to start building the base for the lamp itself. I knew I wanted the lamp base to have these big rounded corners, so I cut close to the line on the bandsaw and finished them up on the router table with a template. I used a Forstner bit on the drill press to cut the hole for the socket. Now, the inside of this lamp base doesn't need to look pretty. Nobody's ever going to see it, so I'm just going to hog out most of the material with a Forstner bit on the drill press. I used a straight drilling bit to cut a channel for the lamp switch, since I knew I would have to add it before glue up. I gave everything a quick initial sanding with 80 grit sandpaper. Then I secured the lamp hardware in place inside the lamp base and reattached the cord. After a quick test to make sure I hadn't screwed anything up, it was time to glue my two pieces together. After sanding the entire thing up to 180 grit, it was time for finish. Finally, I secured the socket with some super glue and screws. I reinstalled the bulb and the glass shade, and it was looking pretty good. And here it is, the finished lamp and bookstand. I love how this turned out. What was a simple IKEA lamp has turned into something that not only fits my space, but my style far better. That's what I love about woodworking. I can take something off the shelf and turn it into something that's both practical and personal. If you like this project, I bet you'll really like this other video over here. And hey, if you want to see more builds like this, why not subscribe? I've got lots more build videos coming your way. And with that, I'll see you next time.